What is going on, guys? So I'm going to show you a really short video of a little hack that I have found for these stock floor jacks or car jacks. And so instead of messing with the long pole and hand cranking everything, all you need is a drill, and that's like a 3/8 cold chisel, I think. Yeah, 3/8 cold chisel. So obviously you put the chisel on the chuck, tighten it up, and then once it's tightened, one second here. You put the jack on the jacking point, and now instead of hand cranking it, and there you go, the lazy man's way.